Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in these videos, I'm going to teach you guys how to walk through on a Taobao app, how to navigate on the app, how the app actually works, how to translate, and how to know some important area on the app. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about importation, you get notified. And also, if you would like to join my paid training, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number right here. You can connect with me. And if you would like to check my previous tutorial about importation business, all you have to do is to make sure you visit Excel Graphics and Multimedia, then navigate to the playlist right here. Then you'll be able to you click on playlist. You can scroll down right here and click on importation class. Then you can scroll down and see more tutorial about China importation with 1688, Alipay related topic, China importation with Pindodo, and India importation, etc. All you have to do, and which are tutorial topic, all you have to do is to watch any related topic that has to do with some of the information you are looking for, and you're going to be fine. Okay. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can walk through and how you can navigate on Taobao app. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, guys, before we can open up our Taobao, we need to install an application called iDictionary. So iDictionary is a kind of application that will allow you guys to translate from Chinese character to English language without any stress. So that is just the basic work of iDictionary. And you can get it on Google Play Store right here. So I'm going to enter over to my Google Play Store. I'm making use of search bar, then search for iDictionary. You can see it right here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to make sure you install the app. So I'm going to do it right away. Install. Alright, so after a successful installation, click on Enable. Then click on Open. Then at this point here, just tap on Open, just for you to give a permission. Then right here, click on this place to turn it on. Alright guys, so you can see that our iDictionary is ready to work. So immediately you see I, it means that the app is ready to work. Okay, so we can exit from the app, okay, and move straight to our Taobao app. Okay guys, so right here, this is my Taobao app, so I'm going to click on it right away. Alright guys, so this is just the interface of Taobao app. Okay, now at this point here, we can make use of iDictionary to make some translate so that you'll be able to understand what is written right here. So you can just drag all over, and you see it's going to ask for some permission. Click on set permission, tap on anywhere outside, then make sure you turn the iDictionary on at this point and click on allow. Okay, so we can go back to our Taobao app now. Alright guys, so at this point here, there are two ways by which we can use to translate on this particular app. One of the first ways is that we can tap on our iDictionary right here. So you tap it, this is pump up. At this point here, you can just tap on global translation. So when you click on global translation, this makes it easy for the app to translate everything from Chinese character to English language within a second. So let's see. Global translation. Anyway, you can as well drag it all over and take it to where the Chinese character was written. So all the same, it's just for you to know what is going on. So this place means logistics center, And this place here means help center. If you have any issue with your Taobao account, this is where you contact them. And let's take a look at another place right here. This has to do with payment center. And if you have any issue with payment, this is where you connect with them. And also at this point here, this place is just for a means of payment, which has to do with, you can either pay with Union Pay card, American Express, MasterCard, Visa card, or Alipay. Okay, so that's just for that side. Then down below here are products that are available on the that are listed by different suppliers in China. So you can continue to scroll down and scroll down, and you see more products and more products as far as Taobao is concerned. Then with the help of your iDictionary, you can just drag it all over any product of your choice. Then you'll be able to translate. Oh, sorry, that was a mistake. So you can just drag. So you can just drag all over and take it to where you see the Chinese character. So it's automatically converted. Then you'll be able to read what is written in English language. Okay. Now, another thing you need to understand as far as Taobao is concerned is that there are two major ways by which you can search for products on Taobao. The first option is you can use your search bar here. All you have to do is to type for the product, type the name of product you are looking for, and you're going to see variety result of product. Another option to search for product is picture search. Right here, you can click on the camera icon here. So when you click on the camera icon, you can upload a product picture from your phone album. Then you're going to see a variety result of the product you are looking for on Taobao. Okay, so down below here is a variety option. Right here, this is where you see all your chat box, chatting with supplier, and response from supplier. This is where everything takes place. You see your message notification from this point here. So move to this point here. This is your product cart. If you have product in your cart, you want to delete product in your cart, everything is done right here. So lastly, at this point here, this is where you have to access your profile page. So if I click on this page now, it will take me to the profile page of this particular account. Then from there, you can see more information as far as this is concerned. So right here on the profile, at the top here, this is your Taobao member name. And right here is your product search history. This is your favorite, sorry. Here, these are the favorite. This simply means that the number of products you have loved when you are searching for the product. Right here is your history search. When you are searching for product, those are the things that is where it takes place. Then at this section here, this is where the product you have not made payment for, it's land here. Okay, so when your payment moves successful, the product move here, ready to be shipped. Okay, this means that your product has been your payment has been confirmed by the supplier. Then it move here. Right here, this is the product on transit. That is, the product has been shipped out, and this is where you track your product, whether the product has reached your shipping company or not. This is where you track the product. Okay, then at this point here, this is where you give a feedback if eventually the product has been delivered to your shipping company, and or it has been delivered to your address, and you have confirmed the product is good or bad. This is where you give a feedback for the services rendered to you by the supplier. The last section here is where the refund takes place. So if you have any issue with delivery, or you have a quality product issue, you can ask for a refund, and the refund takes place at this point here. So these are the things you need to understand and the walkthrough as far as Taobao is concerned. At the top here, this is just a settings. There are things you can set up in this account if your account is eventually a new account. So in my future tutorial, I'm going to explain more things about profile page and what you need to know as far as profile on Taobao is concerned. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about importation from China, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you will have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And also, if you would like to connect with me, you can get in touch with me on the with the phone number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.